How to fix create Gmail account option not available on Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix create Gmail account option not showing in your Gmail app. So this is the problem here. So whenever you're trying to add an account and tap on set up an email, you'll need to tap on continue and you'll be here. So what we're facing is we are not getting this create account option in our Gmail app. So this is how you fix it. First, you will need to leave your Gmail app completely. What you'll need to do is update your Gmail app. So head over to your app store, simply search for Gmail, hit enter, and there you should find Gmail. Now, if there is an update available, tap on update and update your app. Now, this should actually fix the problem itself, but if it does not fix the problem, open up a web browser, simply search for create Google account. After you search for create Google account, you'll find create a Gmail account option on the top itself. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you can scroll down. You will see different options here. You will see from your device, go to Google account sign in page. You'll see create an account option directly as well. You can tap on that and you'll get redirected to another page. From here, you will be able to create your Google account and it will be really easy. And that is how you can create Gmail account even when your Gmail account option is not available on Gmail. After the update, you should have the Gmail account option. So yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and